unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
Yes, it is sometimes possible to fix a TV that won't turn on with a simple reset. Try unplugging the TV from the power outlet for a few minutes, then plug it back in and attempt to turn it on again. This can help reset the TV's internal components. Additionally, you can try a factory reset through the TV's menu if it's accessible. This method often resolves minor software glitches but may not work for more serious hardware issues.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.